pick up this radiant silver metallic 2011 Cadillac DTS, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 12,381 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.